Hello, I'm Dr. Arthur D. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Brother Matt, I discovered in your amplifier that in addition to all the other issues that were going on there, those new capacitors that someone had installed in your amp, they were valued at 0.0047 microfarad at 1600 volts and 0.1 microfarad at 600 volts, that they were cheap capacitors, inexpensive capacitors, and several of them were functioning outside of the limits. So what would happen is that the amplifier would play for a while and would play cleanly and smooth and sound good for a while. But after playing for several minutes, under load, and pushing it on the Hammond organ, the amplifier would begin to distort. So I heard the distortion that you were having a problem with. And it was because those cheap capacitors they were breaking down. So what I did was I pulled every one of those cheap, inexpensive capacitors out of your amplifier and replaced them with quality orange drop capacitors, which are now being manufactured by Cornell Dubiat, or at least sold by the Cornell Dubiat company. But they're quality capacitors. So let's see what this your amplifier sounds like now since I've made that change, and I truly believe that we've resolved all of the issues with your amplifier. Let's listen to it. get over here and check it out. Make sure this amplifier is not red plating. No red plating of the tubes. Not running hot. All right. Okay. No humming. Everything sounds good. Looks good. Brother Matt, I believe your amplifier is ready. Woo! This was a nice challenge, but I think it's ready to go. Peace out.